Hello everyone. So the module called Meeting Custom Checklist will help user to create meeting checklist as well as their template, so it will be helpful for them to monitor the progress. So let's quickly go into calendar and check how it works. So as you can see here in the calendar view as well as in the list view, you will find a checklist progress. As of now, I don't have any of the added, so it is showing 0. So let's quickly go into checklist and create a checklist. So as you can see, I have added name and description and created this checklist. You can simply click over new and create a checklist. So I will create a checklist as improvements, and I will add also a description of improvement in project or anything. So I will add project. Let me quickly save this out. Now let's go into template and add the checklist in the template. So I have created these templates as well as I have added the checklist over here. So this is how you can simply add the name over here, as well as by simply clicking over here you will see a drop down from which you can add the checklist. So I want to add improvement checklist in this particular template and I will save it out. So now let's go back in the meeting and let me go and create a new meeting. As you can see, these are the meetings. So let me go into one of them, and once you go into one of the meeting or create a new meeting, you will see a checklist over here. As you can see in this checklist, I have added this. So let me quickly create a new one. So I will add a name as new project, and as you can see here the checklist, you can simply click over here and add the template. So I want to add these two templates over here. As you can see, once you added the template, you will see all the checklist added into that template. So let's quickly save this out. So by simply clicking over complete and cancel, you will get the progress over here. So as you can see, if you have done the follow-up, you can simply click over complete and this will be get completed, as well as it will show the progress over here. So if let's say if the estimation is also completed, so it will, let's just click over complete, and let's say if the improvement of the project is not done, or else you don't need any of the improvement in the project, or you have not done any project, you just cancel it. So by simply clicking over cancel, you can cancel it. Now if you want to make it complete, as you found some improvement in the project, you can simply click over complete. If the checklist is cancelled also, you can simply click over complete and it will show it complete. So let me complete all of this, and as you can see, once you completed all, it will show you 100%. So by simply clicking over complete and cancel, you will get the progress. Now let me go back over here. As you can see, this is showing 100%, and as per the given complete and cancel, you will see the progress. There is also a filter button from which you can simply check which are the completed checklist or incomplete. So let me click over complete. As you can see, this one is completed, so it is showing me the completed one. Now let me click over uncomplete. So it will showing me all the uncompleted checklist progress. So this is how you can simply just click complete and cancel to monitor the progress of any of the meetings in this module. If you have any query, please write down your query in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.